notice anything wrong? Anyone? You can't end on a steel plate. You gotta have a friction plate, not a steel plate. And I'm out of friction plates. I have the old one. What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here. We're here at base camp. We're still trying to put together the T7. Last time I left you, I was a little discouraged. I have gotten in touch with Rekluse to answer the Facebook messages. Got an email yesterday, I'll show you online here, that they were rushing a friction plate out for me. They overnighted it. So yesterday was day 2. Today's day 3. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. All right. I want to thank Rekluse right now, even before I open it, for sending it. I appreciate it. I really do. All right. So let's open this up. Let's get it on the bike. I'm ready to ride today. How about you guys? All right. Peace out. I'll see you in a bit. All right, here we go. Extremely urgent. I would have to agree with them 100%. You want to open this baby up? Boom, boom, boom. There we go, folks. That's it. That's the last piece that I need to put this baby together. All right, let's get this soaked in some oil and get it on. Let's get baby soaking. Oh yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit. So, after a 3-day wait, ta-da! The last piece of the puzzle is in place. Yes! Word! What a relief. Well, I do understand mistakes happen. Lord knows I make enough of them. I am glad that Rekluse was John in the spot. As soon as they realized, they Facebook messaged me, got my info, made sure they were sending me the correct part, and then, because I guess it was maybe late in the day, the next day they overnighted it to me. Got it this morning, and it's been soaking for a bit, and now it's installed. Word. Alright, so let's now get the rest of this done. Get this engine back together, get some oil in it, clear that code, and then get some coolant in it. And then I think I'm going to tackle the spark plugs. Alright, stick with me. ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and we are still in bike maintenance. Bike maintenance day? No, I think it's turned into bike maintenance week. But anyhow, so we finally got the clutch done. Put the clutch together. Got everything all put back together. Really didn't show too much of putting this cover on. Put the cover on, lined this up, adjusted it. I was more intimidated by that than I needed to be. That wasn't that hard, honestly. You just get, I don't know. I just made sure I had a little play in it. It seems to be working. I'll let you know after the first test ride.